Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Grip Strength software. I've got my Grip Strength on here. It is set to 0 and I have it connected to my computer via USB cable. We have here the software file path. You can see that it is in my C drive. I recommend unzipping and moving all of our software to your C drive of your computer, and you can access it from the bin folder. And this is the UI here. Once you have that, you can then connect your Grip Strength in the software. I have my COM connection here and it's connected. After that, I press the handshake button and then I can start to collect data. Press the button next to the handshake button. So you can see here, over time, it's starting to track. And if I apply force to the Grip Strength, you can see here, the force is being read on the meter, but also on the screen here. And you can see the statistics are being tabulated here. So then I can press the stop data when I'm done. I have the mean, max, and standard deviation for my force values here. And then I can export this data to a CSV file over time via the export button here. So if I just do that. And then I can save my CSV file wherever.